Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix cannot rename folders in Windows 11, 10. First method is Open File Explorer. Right-click Problematic Folder, click Properties, click Security tab, select Authenticated Users. Check Full Rights, click Apply, click OK. Second method is right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Restart Windows Explorer. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Fourth method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, check Disable all, click Apply, click OK, click Restart now. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.